In the name of Allah, hello students, welcome to our class today. I hope you are doing great as usual. Students, it's the third lesson of computer fundamental subject. In this lesson, we will have a discuss about advantage and disadvantage of computer. Students, as you know, everything in the world has its advantage and disadvantage. Also, computer has making human life faster because of its incredible speed, accuracy, and storage, with which human can't save anything and search it out easily when needed. We can say computer a versatile machine because it's very flexible in performing their job. But computer have several important advantages and disadvantages that we will have discussed about advantage of computer and disadvantage of the computer in the below slides. Students, before starting the explaining the advantage and disadvantage of the computer, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Students, let's to have a discuss about the advantage of the computer. Students, following list demonstrates the advantage of computer in today's arena. The first advantage of the computer is high speed, and the next advantage of computer is accuracy, and the next advantage of the computer is storage capability, and the next advantage of computer is diligence, and the next one is versatility. The next one is reliability, and the next one is automation, and the next one is reduction in paperwork, and the next one is reduction in cost. Let's to explain all of them one by one. Students, as we said, high speed is the first advantage of the computer. Students, as you know, computer is a very fast device. It's capable of performing calculations of very large amount of data. The computer has units of speed in microsecond, nanosecond, and even the picosecond. Also, we can say, students, it can perform millions of calculations in a few seconds, and compared to man who will spend many months for doing the same task. And the next advantage of the computer is accuracy. In addition to being very fast, computers are very accurate. The calculations are 100% error free. Computer perform all jobs with 100% accurate, provided that correct input has been given. It depends, students, the accuracy of the computer depends on the human. If you give the right data to the computer will give you the right information. But what is the difference between data and information? We will see you in the next videos. Students, storage capability. The next advantage of the computer is storage capability. Students, memory is a very important characteristic of computer. A computer has much more storage capability than human beings. It can store a large amount of data. It can store any type of data such as image, video, text, audio, and many others. And the next advantage of the computer, students, is diligence. Unlike human beings, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness, and lack of concentration. It can work continuously without an error and boredom. It can do repeated work with same speed and accuracy. In overall, we can say, students, that the computer works without any boredom and tiredness. The next advantage of the computer, students, is versatility. Students, a computer is a very versatile machine. A computer is very flexible in performing the job to be done. This machine can be used to solve the problems related to various fields. At one instance, it may be solving a complex scientific problem, and the very next moment, it may be playing a card game. And the next advantage of the computer, students, is reliability. A computer is a reliable machine. Modern electronic components have long life. Computers are designed to make maintenance easy. The next advantage of the computer, students, is automation. As you know, students, computer is an automation machine. Automation means ability to perform the given task automatically. Once a program is given to computer, stored in computer memory, the program and instructions can control the program execution without human interaction. The next advantage of the computer, student, reduction in paperwork. Students, the use of computer for data processing in an organization leads to reduction in paperwork and results in speeding up a process. Students, as data in electronic files can be retrieved as and when required. The problem of maintenance of a large number of paper files gets reduced. Students, the next advantage of the computer is reduction in cost. It's, students, very important to our economy, especially in poor countries like Afghanistan, Pakistan, and also Iran and also Iraq, like this. Thought the initial investment for installing a computer is high, but it substantially reduced the cost of each of its transition. Students, I'm so sorry. It was the advantage of the computer. Let's to have a discuss about the disadvantage of the computer. Students, computer also has a lot of disadvantages, but we will mention two, four of them in here. Students, the first disadvantage of computer is no IQ or no intelligence quantity, and the next one is dependency, and the third disadvantage of computer is environment, and the next one is no feeling, and okay, we will have explain all of them one by one. Let's to have a discuss about the no intelligence quantity. Students, a computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. Each instruction has to be given to computer by human. A computer cannot take any decision on its own, but a man must design a program for computer, and computer will do his or its task. The next one, students, is dependency. It functions as a per user's instruction, so it's fully dependent on human beings. If the computer don't be near to the computer, if the human don't give the program to the computer, computer will not be able to do any task. The next one, students, is environment. The operating environment of computer should be dust free and suitable. If the environment of the computer be dirty, the computer will be destroyed. Okay, students, the last disadvantage of the computer is no feeling. Computer have no feeling or emotion, unfortunately. It cannot make judgment based on feeling, taste, experience, and knowledge, unlike a human being. Okay, students, it was the disadvantage of the computer. It was our lesson today. Please pay attention to your homework. The first question of our homework is: can we solve the disadvantage of computer? If yes, how? If no, why? And the next question of your homework is: which advantage of computer is the most important for you? And the next question of your homework is: research about other advantages and disadvantages of computer. Students, it was our lesson today. Have a good time, good luck. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Tomorrow we will start our lesson from history of computer or computers history. Have a good time, good luck.